know, whenever there will be downwash, this air is going, that air will not go straightly to the tail. Alpha for the wing will not be exactly equal to alpha for the tail. There are three main causes. First main cause is the tail is not attached with the fuselage at same angle the way wing is attached. So that's why the free stream will not experience same angle. That is first cause. Next cause you can see, because of downwash, your local velocity will not go in same direction, so it will turn. So again the tail will not experience the same. Now the third point, tail is also not attached on the same line, right? You can see several aircrafts, tail is not exactly attached just in front of wing. Location of the tail can be changed. So these are the common factors. They give angle of attack for the tail. So we take this topic as angle of attack under the effect of downwash. Like whatever I have explained here in this, that was my main intention to explain what is the main role of tail. That's all.